फैशन वाइब्स है। मैं आपको आज इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगी मरियम खालिद शम्स से, जो कि डॉक्टर मिजाजी को ओन करती हैं, जो कि बेस ऑल्सो नोन एज डॉक्टर मिजाजी एक्चुअली, एंड शी इज़ अ वार्डरोब सोल्यूशन स्पेशलिस्ट, जो कि आप आई थिंक पहली दफ़ा हमारे शो पे देख रहे हैं, या पहले भी अगर देख चुके हैं तो इस अंदाज में नहीं देखा हुआ होएगा फॉर श्योर, बिकॉज शी हैज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट माइंड सेट एंड द वे शी थिंक्स एंड द वे शी कनेक्ट्स विद पीपल इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट ब्रिलियंट एज वेल, एंड आप लोग भी अब ये देखेंगे। वेलकम टू द शो मरियम।
Thank you for having me. I mean, it's incredible to be here, Rija.
Absolutely.
You yourself have such an amazing energy.
And to say that you were working at Dawn 17 years ago.
Yes,
How does it feel to be back?
I was pregnant with my daughter. Then I gave birth, and then I brought my daughter here. Dawn was like family to me, and they kind of facilitated me. It's one of the most empowering workspaces as a woman. I'm sure you can testify to that.
Of course.
And it was fantastic. I was brought on as a resident development economist at the time, and then I just like, okay, let's try a show, and then I ended up hosting First Blast, and the rest is history.
And the rest is history. And now you're doing a lot of stuff with your life, right?
Yeah, I'm wearing
So we're
hats.
specifically going to be talking about Mizaji, and what does it mean, and how did it begin, and what's the concept behind that?
So Rija, I think Mizaji began as soon as my mother learnt कि उनकी बेटी हो गई है, and she has to dress her. And so Mizaji is something that I think I kind of embodied from my mom. Allah unko jannat bakshe. I really miss her so much when I'm doing all of this. Okay,
Aww.
not ruining Safdar's makeup.
Yeah.
But so it's a way of being, and Mizaj se nikla hai Mizaji. And it entails a way of putting your best foot forward in whatever that you're doing. This one particular version of Mizaji that we're talking about, by the way, when I say Dr. Mizaji, nahi maine na mere paas MD degree hai, na mere paas PhD hai, because I have to say that.
Yeah, of course.
But it's like somebody recently called me, oh, Dr. Saab in the house, because what I've ended up doing, or what I'm planning to do, or kind of aspiring to do, is कि हम एक प्रॉब्लम को डाइसेक्ट करें, उसको जिस तरह हम the social scientist in me, we figure out what is it that needs to be addressed, and everybody will have a different solution, everybody will have a different area that needs to be addressed, and I believe I call it the adverb your life needs, because it is definitely an action, that a conscious mindful action that you're taking towards wellness through your wardrobe. अब जहाँ पे लोग समझते हैं कि फैशन बहुत फ्रिवलस सी चीज़ है, it doesn't affect me. I also fortunately or unfortunately I come from a very serious my other day job is in academia, and it's very recent that people have started to understand कि नहीं, जो हम कपड़े पहन के अपना, because we talk a big game about being comfortable in our own skin, but what is the skin? हम अपनी skin तो नहीं दिखाते, हम अपने जो कपड़े पहनते हैं वही हमारी skin होती है, and that skin has to be the best that you have,
attire that you have. So as a wardrobe solution specialist, you would say you keep it very authentic, you keep it very real to who the person is. And like, would you like to give us some examples? Like, let's say that there's videos playing as well in which you have these beautiful lime yellow and lime green. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so that's with Adnan. He's a lovely, lovely friend who has a different...
So how does that work? Tell us a little about this.
Okay, how does the process work? Okay, so wardrobe solution specialist, I'll thoda sa definitional, sorry guys, thodi theory zaruri hai, is slightly different from a stylist, because what a stylist does is the wardrobe solution specialist एक बड़ी heading है, और उसके अंदर stylist is one aspect of it. So there are times when I refer people to a stylist, but a stylist is just somebody who's helping you pick out pieces. A wardrobe solution specialist is somebody who's kind of diving into your life, not just that particular challenge. It's almost a therapy session that takes place around a garment, around a situation. So for example,
give me an example.
Okay, one fantastic woman in my life. So I have been so blessed, Rija, कि मैंने अपनी 40वीं birthday पे एक दुआ मांगी थी कि I want more women in my tribe.
Okay, and here we are.
Yeah, man. I mean, come on.
And look how the same tribe is.
Crazy. This is crazy. And I tell you, Pakistani women, they're a force. Okay, if anybody tells you anything otherwise, I think इतनी hats पहन के जो पाकिस्तानी औरतें काम कर रही हैं ना, एक channel उनके लिए
अच्छी भी लगे, comfortable भी हो, खानदान भी संभालें, काम भी करें, बच्चे को भी पढ़ाएं,
बिल्कुल,
everything.
और उसके बाद so this one vibrant woman, cancer survivor, I'm not going to name her, I haven't asked her. She decided, single parent, I want to keep, these are the strengths that she has embodied all her life, and she decided that she wanted to go into पढ़ाई करनी है मैंने दोबारा, so she went to LUMS and did her MPhil, going towards a PhD in education, and she's fantastic. Like you would see her profile and you'd be like, okay, why does she need help with kapde? But she's just like, I don't know. I asked her, what are you wearing to the graduation? And she goes, oh, Mariam, mujhe nahi pata, main kya pehnu? And that's when, I mean, I was like, listen, graduations are tricky, guys. I mean, I've had to help students also. क्योंकि वो जो gown है ना, वो किसी पे आज तक flattering नहीं लगा. उसको मेरा ख्याल से somebody needs to taper it because उसके shoulders इधर हैं. Either you're a you're a
model.
Yeah, I suppose even models के लिए भी पता है. So the problem is not just the gown; it's what you wear under it. So to cut a very long story short, we dived into her wardrobe. What she was planning to wear was going to bulk her up even more.
Of course.
And देखें, I'm all for body positivity. I'm all for कोई conscious नहीं कि तुम मोटी लग रही हो, पतली लग रही हो, काली लग रही हो,
गोरी लग रही हो. Mariam, you yourself are wearing such an androgynous outfit as well. You're wearing a
talk about it,
kurta.
but मैं ये body positivity को मैं ये plug in करना ये चाह रही हूँ कि listen, if you're feeling great, no matter what you're wearing, you've got it sorted. So if you're feeling uncertain about anything, then you call the wardrobe solution specialist.
Of course.
And it is about your life, your life and your lifestyle.
Yeah.
Otherwise वो होता ही है कि हम एक कोई चीज़ खरीद लेते हैं और हम कहते हैं कि हमारी fantasy life इस outfit के around revolve करेगी. It's not.
Very well said. Very well said. And I think Mariam हमें बहुत अच्छे तरीके से explain कि आप जब वो wardrobe या कोई भी जोड़ा अगर आप pick कर रहे हैं अपने लिए तो उसकी कोई गहरा मायने भी है. वो बस ऐसे नहीं कि आपने जाके उठा लिया और पहन लिया.